We'll be going over natural gas. In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1 hour chart. We still remain in positive MACD, but we're approaching to negative MACD territory. We're off of overbought condition with the RSI. With the 4 hour chart, we still remain in positive MACD. As we extend that once more onto the daily chart, we still remain in positive MACD, and we're still averaging above the 9 moving average, this blue line, and that'll be our first immediate support at a price of $2.90. If we were to test that level, that price movement to the downside is roughly around 3.6%. And as for the trade idea of the week, I'll be trading UNG, and my position size for it is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $9.23, and that is this range here. My sell target is at $11.24, and my stop loss is at $8.74. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $12.11, and that is this range here. My sell target for it is at $9.81, and my stop loss is at $13.09. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that'll be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model, which is available in the link below, so do check it out. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, natural gas has a 40% chance to climb between 0 to 13.7%, and to the downside it has a 60% chance to fall between 0 to negative 13.7%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.